Welcome to Project Terrapin's Terrapin Appreciation Week. We're really excited to come to you this week because we have a number of different activities to highlight terrapin turtles. And the reason why we're doing this now is because we're in June and we're here in central New Jersey where we have terrapin females that come up and nest this time of year. We want people to be aware of their actions on the roadways, areas like causeways, around marshes and coastal areas, because female diamondback terrapins will come up cross roadways in some places, and they're more susceptible to cars. Also, this time of year, there's a lot more activities on the water. So terrapins that are living out in marshes and other areas that are more accessible by boats are also under certain threats. We also want to highlight our Appreciation Week um, sponsors and those that are actually participating with us and presenting some information to make us more aware about terrapins. That includes Jenkinson's Aquarium, Save Barnegat Bay, Mermaid Brizzo, and also we are going to be conducting a joint presentation with the Long Beach Township new Marine Field Station down in Holgate. So we're kicking off tonight just to kind of give you a little bit of an overview. And on Wednesday, tomorrow, we're going to release a terrapin activity that's a craft that was through one of our Mates Project Terrapin leaders, Emily Jones. We're also going to get into our hatchling overview program. We have a video about our hatchling Head Start program. And we're going to have our keynote speaker, Dr. Russell Burke from Hofstra University. And Dr. Burke is an expert on terrapin conservation, and he conducts a lot of research in terms of all different aspects of terrapins. And it's going to be a really great presentation via Zoom with the link that's right here for you. Also on Thursday, June 18th, we're going to have our Mermaid Brizzo reading about which type of turtle am I. That's also a Zoom link that's here. So please have the little ones there. It's a neat book by Donna Zappala, and it's going to be read by Barnegat Bay Mermaid Brizzo. We are trying to put together a terrapin bingo for midday on Thursday. Please contact us here at our projectterrapin.org Gmail account. And the reason why we want to do that is so that we can send you a board and then you could play. The winners of the bingo games are going to end up getting a free pass to Jenkinson's Aquarium in Point Pleasant, who's also one of our key sponsors to this. And then we're going to also have some of our Mate student research presentations highlighted. That'll be this week. And on Friday, we're going to get into the terrapin feeding through Jenkinson's Aquarium. So please join us for that. Jenkinson's has adult terrapins, and they're also part of our Head Start program, some of the terrapins that they have there as well. But they're going to feed some of their adults. So please be there for that feeding, and you'll get to hear a little bit more about the terrapins in captivity and how Jenkinson's kind of cares for those. And they're also going to release some different activities for some of the younger children that day. On June 20th, we're going to be working with the Long Beach Township new Marine Field Station, and we'll have a presentation on our terrapin research and also just an overview of terrapins. And then that overview presentation will be in the form of a video that evening, but please, join us for the live presentation from Long Beach Township. And then on Sunday, we're going to have something called Hatchling Head Start Stories, some stories of hatchlings and schools that raise their hatchlings. And we're going to show you some of those hatchlings from some of our schools that, once again, they raise them and then we release them at the end of the school year as part of a conservation initiative at Barnegat Bay. We'll also have a little bit about terrapin habitat that day. Monday, you're going to meet the hatchlings that are going to be released. So this all culminates with a release that's on Tuesday, June 23rd. And we are going to have you meet the hatchlings that are going to be released back into the wild. And also a little demonstration on our marking and notching type of study. We do population work with terrapins throughout Barnegat Bay, and we want to kind of share that with you. And then finally on Tuesday, we're going to replay our Meet the Hatchlings, kind of program just before our terrapin release. That'll be at 3 p.m. So we are going to release the Terrapins and we will play that for you. Once again, this is all part of our Appreciation Week. We hope that you enjoy it. Please partake. And once again, once these are posted and the links are posted or some of our live presentations are posted, we will record them and then we will have them available for you for replay. Please join us also if you want to know what's happening through our social media, Project Terrapin at Facebook and our Instagram account, and also through some of our partners, Jenkinson's Aquarium, once again, Save Barnegat Bay, Long Beach Township, who's going to be involved in this. And come to this site at projectterrapin.org and you'll have all the links here for you. So please enjoy the week and we look forward to working with you. And we also want to thank the Mates Project Terrapin group, including Abby Stevens, a student there who is helping to organize this, along with Emily Jones, that put together a video on a craft. And also we have Cassandra Vongrej and Mackenzie Fries, both juniors at the Mates School, who have developed the Terrapin Bingo, and we'll be presenting that as well. And then also thank you to our keynote speaker, Dr. Russell Burke, and also to Mermaid Brizzo for presenting live during this week. So we look forward to talking Terrapin with you, and we also want you to be Terrapin aware as we're in the nesting season, and we hope all is well.